What are you doing? Oh, were you playing music a minute ago? Almost. A little further to the left. Crank the crab. Crank the crab. Come on. Oh, you're going to be playing music in no time. It looks like you are basically standing up. Not very much support helping you. You gonna crank that crab? Or are you gonna play some music? You gotta crank him if you want to eat his little things. You gotta crank him sideways. Don't eat your finger. No. Yeah, crank the crab. What is all that cool stuff? What's all that cool stuff? How come you're just looking at me? Are you gonna follow me if I go over here? Look at that octopus. He looks like a sailor man, like Dad. Rocco, I'm over here. Hey, Rocco, did you lose me? My son? Hey, I'm over here now. Oh, that's a cool octopus. Can you spin over here? Here, I'll help you. There you go. You look sleepy. We just got up from a nap a while ago. But you look so tired. Ooh, lots of fun stuff over here, huh? Pretty fun stuff. Yeah, okay.